right, so you know how when you go on Amazon and under certain products you like see, let's say you find something you want to buy, you will like see a section underneath it that says these products are typically bought together or something similar to that. We're going to be looking into something like that right now, which is creating a bundle, specifically the uh, art for that bundle. So yeah, we're going to do a little tutorial here. So pretty much a bundle is just the easier way to kind of sell multiple things at a greater price for the person that's going to be potentially buying, but it more depends on what you're selling and how they fit together. So it can be three similar products, um, like you have a main product plus maybe something that would be a great add-on. So like let's say selling a course on something, you could be like having maybe an ebook that complements that or a guide that complements that. It's up to you to decide what would be your best move forward. But for me, we're gonna be doing a book bundle. So let's see if we can find a template for that book bundle here. And so we want to do something similar to this, similar to that one. But we're gonna try and find something that does kind of work. All right, so let's see if we can pull something up and pretty much make it even easier. All right, because what you can even do with this too, you can like mix and match. So if you find like one part really goes well with your ideal, but another part from another template works well also, what you can do is pretty much click on it and star it, so that's when you are ready to use that specific part, it's a bit easier to find. So let me just kind of save this, and what I'm gonna do from here is use this one because this one kind of fits with the idea I have in mind. And what I'm gonna do now is customize this template. Alright, while that loads, I kind of want to see so the thing about this bundle, it assumes that you already have like your ebook covers ready to go, since in this case we're doing ebooks. But if it's a case that you don't have that ebook cover yet, I have another tutorial showing you how to use Canva to create that cover. But I'm gonna pretty much just drop in my covers here, and we're gonna move forward with that. So all right, so we'll put this one in, and we're just gonna drag that into this template part here. All right, okay, so that's one. So what I want to do, I want to kind of see, because if there's another book or here too, because since I'm doing like three, so this even makes it a bit easier because I can just kind of drag in whatever, what you know. So since the template, it does look good, but because I want it to kind of be a certain way, this makes it a bit easier for me. So what I'm gonna do now is just drag in, because it's three, I want to have as my bundle in this case. So you can do a bundle with however many you feel like, but since I kind of know, all right, give me a second. All right, so I'm just gonna drag this one in also, and that one. All right, so I'm just gonna drag this one over. All right, and that one there. Okay, so with that now I can just have this be out of the way, that be out of the way, have this be out of the way. Alright, and now see we have at least something we can kind of work with from here, that is showing at least the first part of the book, of the bundle. So now we have one of the templates. So let's say from here now you want to have like maybe a page that's dedicated to each book individually. So what you can do from here to make it, you can just add another page, then you can go back to design and see if you see any other templates that kind of fit what you have in mind. So since we're not really seeing book templates, let's just type in mockup. All right, and with this now, like this one would really work well, because what we can do from here is something like this. So let's say you already have the book and everything, the ebook that you're going to be using. So I'll call this sales book bundle. All right, I'm gonna master sales in 2025. All right, so we have that master sales in 2025. All right, so I can put like a better thing there, but what you can do now is for each of them you can pretty much use this and thematically kind of give you a better version. So since you know that one of the books is pink, we can pretty much go into this and change the color scheme to kind of match that. So since you know one of them is pink, and I'm pretty much gonna bring in one of the covers here. So give me a second, let me just kind of copy. All right, let me go back to the uploads, and let me use green one since I can kind of pull this up easier. I'll just bring this into the other page here, bring this into that one. What I can do is kind of bring in the size, or I may have to like resize it a bit to kind of fit, but what I can do is change this to green, change this to the same green, new ebook available, and so it would be like this. And then I can even change like this to, if it's not a green, like, so let's make it green also. Yeah, so it kind of still fits. And what I can do now is with this I can like change here to kind of fit with what the book is about. 10 strategies to help you master sales. Master sales as an introvert. All right, so this one, and then you can pretty much do the same thing for all the others, and then you'd have those. So since that we see that like the sizing here is kind of off, we could like go back into the where you have this part here, the ebook cover, and just kind of edit it so that it fits for this kind of viewing, so it looks a bit better, because you want to kind of look good not only for you but for the person that's going to be viewing the image. But give me a second here. Yeah, and then you just go ahead and add that to all the others. You'll be all set. So now you'll so after you have like every page that you want to add to like the bundle so that they can kind of show off the imagery properly, then we're going to go into choosing the platform to like host the bundle on. So give me a second here. And one of the best places I found to do the hosting for you is actually called Gumroad. So they are a platform that is kind of like Shopify, but what they do is they're more focused on digital products. So you can like upload a digital product, you can upload a course or tutorial, you can do like an ebook, you can do a membership, or you can do a bundle. So this is what we'll be focusing on in the next tutorial. And yeah, we'll show you how to upload everything and have it be on this platform. You can choose a pricing, add any additional details you want to add, and make everything look awesome. All right, and yeah, and the good thing about this, Gumroad itself is a free platform. They only charge you when you do make a sale. So It's very minimal cost also. So yeah, that's the video. Hope you found it informative, I guess. All right, that's it.